Well, most of this seems to be self-explanatory, since it's all straight eighth notes for a great deal of the time. It's just a matter of counting everything and just coming in when you're supposed to, so I don't think you need me to go over that. So let's look at measure 26, or bar 26, just so you can see how I do the fingering there, since it's a little bit of a complicated part. Of course, that led into the next bar. Whoops. And so on there. So, looks like, what is that, measure 28. That's where things get a bit tricky. So if you just follow the fingering I wrote out for you underneath, that'll set you up to be able to hit this thing in, I think, a very efficient manner, even though it's kind of an oddball thing to play. I think I played that wrong. I'll do that again. Repeating the same thing quite a few times. So we get the pre-chorus. Only thing to take note of here, measure 26, not 26, 46. You had asked, is that really the right chord? And yes, that was. So it's just a diminished fifth chord. That's why it sounds so off color. When you get to 51, bars 51 and 52, make a chord and let those ring out. Whoops. Okay, now we get to the slightly more intricate part. So, chorus starts off, so instead of doing the string rakes, just palm mute it. So the 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and then we have, that C minor chord. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then we do a pull off. So you gotta make sure you're barring that, so you pull off the octave of the root note down to the flat 7, making it a C minor 7. So that's going to go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So those two bars together, you got, let's see, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. And then that goes into this, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and then we have 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Actually, yeah, so we go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and then we got 1 and. So when you go to measure number 60, you have the major chord on the downbeat, and then the upbeat of the first beat, we change it to a major 7. And then the open D string, low D string twice. So those two bars, you have 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and that's what we covered so far. Alright, let me know if you need any other explanations. I plan on seeing you in a week.